What is up, guys? So I am right now editing the video. It is 12:30. I'm editing everything today and just a little bit from last night. And oh my God, when I say this is the most action-packed video I've had yet, it's crazy. We hit 1,000 subs, turn it up a notch. We're gonna hit 10K soon. Let's get us there. I'm gonna do a cool giveaway at 10,000. We'll see what that's gonna be here soon. But yeah, like I said, this video is so worth watching all the way through. There's so much content, and I'm just literally sitting on my couch laughing my ass off watching everything that went on. Crazy jumps, crazy rally driving. This Subaru is the coolest thing we bought. You cannot beat it for 1,800 bucks. It's just completely impossible. But yeah, like I said, if you guys like this type of shit that we're doing with this $1,000 beater stuff, drop a like, drop a comment. Let me know if you guys like this and want to keep seeing more shit like this, because we can bring it on. We got the Z to put content out. We got the beater to put content out. Let me know what you guys like seeing. But yeah, other than that, enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys later. Real quick, something I did forget to say. This next clip that you're about to see after this, it was an Instagram live video, so it's going to be like the tiny little skinny screen. I'm telling you, that one's worth watching through. I wish I had it on my actual video, but we didn't expect to happen what happened. So it's going to be a little bit skinny on the screen, but after that, it's going to be normal full screen shots. But you'll see that moving forward. They're out.
Hell yeah, brother.
Dylan White's live too. I don't know why I said his last name. Dude, it's gone. Our train is gone.
Is this the...
Alright, let's shout out to everybody in here.
Oh, wait,
Ryan VQ93.
Hold on a second. Is this
What?
the...
Hell
It
no.
looks like it's still crop.
That's the trail, remember?
I know, but it looks like crop.
The trail is meant for the farmer guy to floor it.
These lights suck. Oh, hang on, brothers.
Oh, fuck.
Oh!
That's got drink.
Oh, bro, we're getting stuck.
No, we're not. Yeah, we are. Oh, fuck. Oh.
Come on, Harry, you made me do this.
We're good. Hey, just get up to the hill and we're good.
Keep that left and right.
Oh, fuck. Get up on the hill, we're good, brother. Oh my gosh.
Oh, we might be stuck now.
Oh, we are stuck.
No, we'll just go across.
Hold on a second.
Now that you stopped, we might be stuck.
Dude, we're on a big ass hill. Oh, fuck.
Well, this is it, boys.
No, crawl up sideways on the hill right here.
I'm literally, the brakes are locked.
It's not good.
Yeah, we gotta come get picked up now.
Yeah, it's a WRX.
Well, no, we're literally fucked right now. Do you understand that?
No, we're not. Let me drive. Just go backwards.
I'm gonna try to flip around.
Yeah, go in reverse.
Oh, we're fucked, bro. These tires aren't meant for this.
Let me drive.
No, you don't understand. We're literally fucked.
No, we're not.
Harry, this isn't about driving.
Go in reverse.
This is about it sliding. We might need those guys' help. Turn the...
Oh my goodness.
I knew I shouldn't have done this.
So how'd you do it?
Just go, keep going reverse.
We're in this crop now.
That's fine.
No, it's not.
It's either we're going the crop or we're stuck here.
Oh my God, if we're good, bro.
Floor it all the way
Holy
through, brother.
shit. There's no way we're making this.
We're good, brother. We're good, brother.
Just keep going, dude.
Bro, look at the steering wheel.
Just
Look at me.
Just
Floor
keep
it.
I'm
going.
staying in it. Just look at me.
Yeah.
We literally have no steering. It's literally just all sliding mud. Oh, we gotta make it up here a little bit. Ooh. Come on now, brother. Come on now. Come on now. You got it.
All
bitch.
right,
Come
they're
on.
still on.
Come on now. Come on. Don't you stop, bitch. You
Dude,
a
this
bad
thing makes
bitch.
it out of this. This
You
is
a bad
insane.
bitch, girl. You a bad
Yeah.
bitch.
Oh
You
my
ain't stopping, bitch. We
God.
good. You a Subaru.
Oh.
You a Subaru, baby.
Oh!
We're fucked. I'm
my
soaked in mud, brother.
Dude, hell yeah.
That's a Subaru, bitch.
Woo!
Ah!
Here. Oh my
God.
Stop here. Stop here.
No, we ain't stopping, brother.
I want to see how the outside looks.
Oh, I'm
Stop.
soaked
Just
in
stop.
mud.
Stop. Dude.
How many people saw that?
1,000.
Ooh.
Oh, hell yes, dude. This is what I'm talking about.
Oh my fucking God.
I cannot believe this.
Get out of
Hold on.
I cannot.
There's a car coming.
Yep.
Yeah.
We're getting rowdy. I just broke my thumb drifting this thing. They got it on video, but Justin's coming around the corner in just a second, featuring my fucked up thumb. Send her on through, baby! He's gonna snap oversteer. Nice.
I'm laughing. You're Justin's laugh.
It's so hard to make it come out.
Yeah. I think my shoes are fucked.
Mike Klizam's in the passenger or driver's seat rather. That looks how it's supposed to now.
Dude, once it goes.
That bird literally just made the GoPro sound. Oh yeah, that's it. That's it. That's it, baby. That's it. That's it. With the gunshot. I have a feeling the exhaust is falling off on this pass. We'll see. Oh, they're stopping. They must hear something. Oh no, maybe they're waiting for me. When's that standing start, baby? Or maybe the intake got a little bit wet. He just floored it through there. Uh-oh, uh-oh. The exhaust. You done broke the exhaust off, my friend. What are you doing? Oh, I know. Why didn't you send it? We got new BTR stage 4 cam, baby. Yes, sir! Oh, now the intake's soaked for sure. It's about to kill that motherfucker.
Yeah.
All right, my thumb's not broken anymore. We popped it back into place, baby. We good on that. We're about to jump this hole right here. It's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun, baby. What's happening? What's happening? Nah, watch though. You better watch out, Harry. He's coming for your ass.
Bye. All right, y'all. That was fucking lit. Jbilly's nut screw 3 sizes.
That thing was soaring.
He's got to buy bigger nuts now, bigger boxers. I fixed my thumb. I popped it back into place. We're about to go drop this dirty bitch off and call it a night. Don't forget, like, subscribe. 10K on the way. Gonna give away $1,000 to 10,000. I don't know if we're gonna do it between 3 people. If we'll do it between 2 people, we'll do it between 1 person. But we're gonna figure it out. We'll give away a rack at 10,000. So get this motherfucker there right now. Later.